Hi guys, welcome back to my videos. Today, I am going to be unboxing stuff from the book fair, guys. So, let's get my whole bag. Here we go. Let's keep getting it going. Let's dump it all out. Too much stuff. I'm not going to
have the color change one. My friend color changer.
Paisley, look at the video. See, first I got this thing that this 3D or something looking. We got what are you trying to show, Paisley? Oh, you're trying to show this. Then I got this pen. But first, let me.
Then I show that.
Paisley, first can I open this? And Paisley, just don't get in the way of the camera. Oh, okay. You're trying to hold it. Hold it right here, Paisley. Hold it like this, right there.
Here?
Yes, right there. Yeah. Oh, Paisley, they can't see like that. Right here.
Good. I was about to ask you if you could open this.
Yeah, I'm recording.
I can't flash. Thank you.
So, I got this Pokemon thing at Squishy. Watch what happens to Pikachu. Look at him. Okay, now let's get back to opening this. So,
You forgot one of them?
yeah.
That's fun.
But we can't.
It's a pink one.
No.
That one's green, I think.
Aubrey's got pink.
Yeah, I got pink one. But that's
No, okay, I'm just gonna.
I haven't opened this
Stab
yet.
it! Stab it! Stab it!
No, but I want to see what is in it.
10 out of 10 for this. I gotta get this open.
Squishy.
Oh,
Don't hurt.
so guys, let's go.
Anyway.
Aubrey, can you move a little bit so they won't hear you? See, guys, look. I got this little button, I think. Yeah. It's more update instead of that little circle button. It has this thing that you gotta push like that, and the button goes like. Yeah, it's way. 10 out of 10 because they updated this version, so this going in 10 out of 10. Colin Climber points, so this is 10 out of 10 because Pikachu is literally. So
Be thankful.
Let's keep going. I already opened this, so the necklace is already on me. But let me show you it. Let me get it off.
Here, Paisley, keep squishing this.
Let me get it off, and
No,
it's gonna take a little while.
I do it out of the box. Everything looks so blurry. And I got this.
Okay, guys, so we got the necklace out.
I can't show it.
We got the necklace out. Here it is. I'm gonna put it back on.
Try again. Here, try to put this on your wrist.
Go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. But
I can keep it.
I got a gaming
I
kit,
keep it.
activity kit, because
Okay.
I'm
Put that
a
back.
lazy
Put the
person.
bracelet back. I need the bracelet back.
Do not take that seriously. And sorry for what's getting in the way. Just let me get this box. I got this box. Guys, gotta open it.
Smell it.
Oh.
Smell. It don't smell like nothing. It smells like one egg.
So guys, let's keep going with this. Gotta
Get your stuff out. Quit messing with it.
get the tape.
Let me take the whole bag of smell. No, ma'am. Yes, sir. I'm daddy. I'm daddy. I'm daddy.
Shh.
I'm daddy. Hey, I'm daddy. Hey, I'm daddy. I'm daddy. I'm daddy. Daddy. I look like I'm daddy. I'm
Got
daddy.
this. Got it. I won't get a lot of views. Let's go. Over there. Got it. Let me get it. Let's look at. Oh, here we go. Here's this little slotty thing. Okay, I don't know what this is at the back, but gaming activity kit. Cool thing. Look at this. I can hang these on my wall. I love this. There we go. So, let me flip this over. Okay. Put that over. So, guys, oh my god, all of this. I got this controller squishy. So come right out now. You come out now. You come out. Squishy. Oh, nice. Then I got this little notebook thing. So, guys, and then I got this little notebook thing. Because I'm already unboxing stuff. And, got this little keychain. I'm definitely putting on this on my backpack. Because I'm a gamer. I'm a YouTuber. And then I got Epic Gaming Slime. I wonder how it would look. Open it. So, oh, it's so slimy. Duh, 'cause it's slime, bro. Ugh. Come on, man. Get out my fingers. I just wanna. Let me mix you around. Oh, yes. Look at that. Oh gosh, I gotta be fast with that. Oh my goodness, I need to put that on my finger so I can like suck up all the leftovers.
What is the color change?
I like the book fair. And I got some more things I can show y'all. So, put all this back in there. I got my gaming pencil. Can't see that. So, then I got my own bracelet in the gaming kit. I think it has something on it, but never mind, it doesn't. But I hope y'all got a good look at that. That's all I got in my gaming kit, but let's unbox my last thing. My journal. Don't make fun of it. It's my journal. It's My Hero Academia. I like it, so just don't make fun of me, alright? And guys, let's go. Uh-oh, I dropped my phone or whatever it's called. Put it in place. Perfectly slid out. So let's take a look at the pages. Still afraid. We got. Oh yeah, it is a journal, guys. Wait, guys! I already have something written on it. Let me go see what page that is. Let me go see what page that is. Let me go see, guys. I gotta hang it for a second so I can go find the page again. So guys, there's something on it already written in the book. Bro, guys, look what it says. I finally found the page where it says to please subscribe. So you better subscribe. You better subscribe. And Zoe, I know you're watching, because I can see you. I can see